That's a fire. How you doing, son? He been napping all day. This guy went swimming. I think he's crazy because it's freezing out there. There's barely anybody here at the park. It's nice. He put a piece of wood in there for no bonfire, so it could have some good flavor. Got our chicken going. That looks and smells really good. Little tabletop grill, really nice. Thank you, Sean. I don't even know if he watches, but hey, how you doing? Hi. You ain't gonna help me? Say it, what? Nobody helping you cook on the grill. What you said over there? What you talking about crew before?
I'm sleeping.
Let me see.
Hey there.
Let me see your face.
Thank you very much for asking. I'm sleeping.
Oh, no hablo inglés?
Si, senor.
Yeah, boy, I'm having chicken on a salad. He's having chicken and... You want some corn with your chicken? He'll probably have some more chicken. He having chicken on a salad and some macaroni salad and some coleslaw.
Yeah, boy.
Good?
Yeah.
Bon appetit.
Appetit. Bon appetit.
You bless this food?
Mm-hmm.
All right.